Alright, I'm gonna do what should be a less than 1 minute YouTube video for something very interesting that I'm really digging right now. This is a waffle cap. And all it is a tiny PCB board that's round and it has 2 slits on it and 2 pads. And it takes away all the pain of soldering to a capacitor. If you guys have soldered to capacitors before, you know how difficult it is to line up the wires to the little pins to have them stay in place and solder them. All this does is you slip it on, you solder the 2 pins right there, and then you have 2 pads to solder into. And honestly, it is the best invention since the quadcopter. I don't know how I lived without these, but I have something better for you because it also works with buzzers. Buzzers also have pins and they're also impossible to freaking solder them. So with this, same thing, you slip them on and you have pads to solder to. Absolutely brilliant. So search them up. They are by a guy named WALF FPV. So it's called the WALF Cap-Cap.